Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering only legal personal files, your Switch firmware, prod, keys, and a dumped copy of Splatoon 3 from your own console. Once done, install the latest Ryujinx build and check GPU drivers and DirectX/Vulkan support so the emulator can access hardware acceleration. Make sure save backups are kept in a separate folder. Doing this avoids DRM bypass and ensures stable emulation. You need correct keys and firmware, so Ryujinx can decrypt and run the game without errors. You now configure Ryujinx, open the system settings and import your prod, keys and firmware files so the emulator recognizes your dumped game. Next, choose Vulkan for best performance if your GPU supports it and adjust CPU threads to match your core count. This balances performance versus stability. Then map your controller inputs, enable the shader cache to reduce stutter, and set resolution scaling to 1.5x or native depending on GPU headroom. These choices directly affect frame rate and visual fidelity. You're ready to launch Splatoon 3 in Ryujinx. Select your dump title and start. Create or import a save from your backup. Once running, tweak graphics settings like resolution scaling and VSync and try asynchronous shader compilation to reduce hitching, then test performance in short sessions. If performance is poor, make incremental changes and monitor temperatures. For crashes or failures to boot, verify your prod. Keys and firmware came from your console. Update GPU drivers and enable Ryujinx logging to diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.